Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Maps on your phone or desktop. Make sure location permissions are enabled so Maps can place you correctly. Once open, enter your destination in the search bar and select the correct result. Next, tap the blue Directions button to create a route. This moves you from map viewing into route planning. The reason you do this first is to lock in origin and destination, which enables the transport mode options you need for biking directions. Once the Directions panel appears, scan the row of transport icons and tap the bike icon to switch to bicycle routing. This tells Maps to prefer bike-friendly streets and paths. You'll see multiple route options. Compare them by tapping each to reveal distance, estimated ride time, and elevation changes. Make sure to inspect labels for bike lanes or dedicated trails. If you need a flatter route, choose the option with the least elevation gain. This step refines safety and effort for your ride. After selecting your preferred bike route, press Start to begin turn-by-turn navigation. You'll get voice and on-screen cues designed for cycling. If Maps doesn't show bike mode, close and reopen the Directions panel or toggle the transport icons again. This forces a refresh. If your GPS drifts or navigation fails, make sure your device's location setting is high accuracy, confirm app permissions, and consider downloading offline maps before you ride. These fixes cover the most common navigation hiccups.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.